So I'm in the Eastern Cape of South Africa, in my old home city, East London. Not sure if you can hear the guinea fowl in the background, but I'm in the Nahoon Nature Trail in East London, and it's just such a stunning place. Funny thing is, when I lived here, couldn't afford a camera. But now that I got into birding in Hong Kong, coming back here is just so beautiful and feels so rewarding, just to be able to walk around and find some birds. And almost every bird I find is a new species, which is just, you know that feeling. Yeah, I'm hoping to find some eagles. I've already seen some nice naluris, some hawks, and a few sunbirds that I've never seen before. So hopefully I can show you a few nice species along the way. I love this place so much is, behind me you can see the trail I've walked through the bush. Managed to photograph quite a few little bush birds. And if I flip around, you can see it's going to come out here into an estuary behind me over here. So follow this little trail around through here, and I think there's a small part of the river you can see there, all the houses on top. You're out stalking birds and in the bush and stuff, it's always good to have a sidekick. My little buddy, my little boy Zinzan. What are we gonna find today? What are we gonna find? Bushbuck?
I want to find bushbuck.
You wanna find birds?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna find some birds. Which kind of birds?
Kingfisher.
Kingfishers. Alright, so he said it, kingfishers. Let's hopefully we can find some. Finished up here at the Nahoon Trail. The nature reserve is such a spectacular place, and anyone who's serious about their birding, and if you're in the area, you've got to come and visit.